So do you do what it takes, whatever it takes, to be sure that your customers are happy? Hi, I'm Bill. This is Creative License, and thanks for being a part of my dog and pony show. Thanks to my sponsors, and if you wouldn't mind, reach out to them, be nice to them, tell them you watch if you don't actually buy something from them, but you should spend money with Electro Voice and DJ Event Planner and DJN TV and promo only, and hopefully you'll take a workshop from me, the entertainment experience. So what am I talking about? Doing whatever it takes. You know how attractive it is that you have a service company that'll do whatever it takes to make you happy? Let me tell you how attractive it is to me. I'm on vacation at an all-inclusive place that will do whatever it takes to make sure that I and my wife are happy. Now, we went out of our way to find a place like this. We went out of our way to be sure that this place was a good place we were going to be. We're in Punta Cana in the Dominican Republic, and oh my gosh, it's wonderful. It's fabulous. And I can sit here in the pool all day. And every once in a while, someone comes by and says, "Is there something I can do for you?" And it doesn't matter what it is. And for a while, I was like, let me see if I can challenge them. You give me a cookie? They brought me a cookie. Bring me a beer? They brought me a beer. How about a sandwich? Yes, sir. Would you like an extra towel? Would you like a massage? Is there something you can do to make you happy? I am in heaven. Now, take into consideration that your customers will be that kind of happy as well. Your customers only want to be happy, and the only thing they really want is to be sure that you will do whatever it takes to make them happy. They don't care if you bring speakers, they don't care if you bring microphones, they don't care if you can tell stories or be a great actor. They care that you will do whatever it takes to make them happy, and they'll pay a premium price for it. Why do I know that? Because I'm paying a premium price to be here. Now, granted, this is a beautiful place. It is amazing to be here. I'm doing my little show for you from the pool. Just outside of my room is right over there. So I walk out of my room, I jump into the pool, and I've got people that'll wait on me hand and foot. This is a great thing, and I'll pay extra for it. And I am paying extra for it. And I don't have a whole lot of money. I'm not rich or anything like that. Some people think that those kind of customers are the high-end customers. Those kind of customers are the ones that are going to be really wealthy. So those people will go out of their ways to have premium services. But the truth is, most of my customers are like me, lower income to middle income people. And they'll pay a premium price if they know the person that they're doing business with is going to do whatever it takes to make them happy. So what are you willing to do, really? If you sat down and crossed out all of the regular stuff that every DJ does, that every service provider does, have you dropped off of your "I will do this for you" list the things like the equipment you bring, or what time you'll show up, or how you will be dressed? Because they don't really care about that. They do if you don't, but they're not looking for that. What they're looking for is for someone who will do whatever it takes to make sure that they're happy. Now, can you make sure that that's clear? When you meet with them, when you talk to them, when you advertise to them, will they know that you are just going to do whatever it takes to make them happy? Because that is worth a great deal of money, and people will go out of their way regardless of whether or not they have it in their budget to be able to have it. Not everybody, but enough. What do you think of this? Write it down in the comments below. Let me know what you think. I'll see you next week on Creative License.